Yo, what's going on? Today's trade, I made £683 and 52 pence. Um, let's go through it now. So my main POI was up here, these highs, and this order block just here. I'd entered too early. I'd manually shut the trade at just when I wanted to because I wasn't too happy with it. But if we just scale down, so originally we had this candle here just tap into this zone here, the order block, and we saw a huge breaker structure, 5 minute, 15 minute breaker structure. I don't think it broke structure on the 30 minute, no it didn't. And then we saw a retracement back up, so I was watching it on the 5 min. I've been waiting for this all day, and I think TopStep had a problem around this area here, where you couldn't trade. I don't know what was going on. I think they had a technical error. Anyway, I wouldn't have traded just here anyway, but you know, if you did just enter off of it coming into this zone, then let's say you got in here, you would have made a nice bit of money depending on where your take profit was. But I was waiting for the retracement. We got it, and onto the 1 minute. Although you know, I only really ever use the 1 minute for entry, as I said in my previous video that I don't like using the 1 minute to trade, just because it's quite choppy. I mean, today was quite choppy. I wasn't a huge fan of it, but when we came back up to this level here, where we'd seen this huge dump and the breaker structure, where the order block was, I was under the assumption that the price would then just continue to fall down, but we pushed up higher, literally fully taking it out, all this liquidity here, before it did drop a nice amount. So what was that? Nice little 27 point drop there, but I didn't enter off of that. I got in here assuming that that was it. That was the moment we were going to see it start to tumble down, but I was holding it, and then we started to look a bit shit down here, so I just cut off my trade, and then obviously it would have taken me out if I just held it. But yeah, that was today's trade. I was very patient. Am I happy with the result? Yeah, of course. You know, 683 isn't bad, but with down here being my main target off of this trade, it would have been nice to have been still on the market if at this point, but I'd come off. I'd been, you know, that's my trade for the day. Um, but you know, a winner is a winner. You win some, you lose some. Today we didn't lose any, so I'm happy with it. But if I'd been watching the market a bit more, then maybe we would have caught this move here. But it is what it is. Uh, Today was the first trade I made on my funded account, so we're up nearly 700 on the funded account on our first day, which is good. And I've also got a copier account onto a valuation, so I just continue trading the way that I like to trade. It's been profitable for 6 months, 5 months now, so moving on to real accounts. It is a bit different, but I've got a good feeling going into 2026, and even if shit hits the fan, then I'm still going to be posting these things for myself. So yeah, but that was today's trade. Nothing more to say. Probably won't be trading tomorrow. I think tomorrow's a red news day on Forex Factory, and I think Friday is as well. But I'm going to be away from my computer now because it's Christmas break. And I'll probably be uploading again in January 2026. So if this is my last video, I hope everyone who has watched this has a lovely Christmas, and I'll see everyone in the new year.